Hello everyone. Today again I am present here with data visualization. So first of all open the software Tony, or you can use Spider using Anaconda. Now click over file, then new, then the file is open. We need to save the file first. So on desktop I am making a folder. You can provide any name to the folder. I am giving charts in Python. Then within the folder I'll save the file. So for example I'm writing the name line_chart.py. Okay, so as usual first we need to import matplotlib.py plot as any alias. So right now I'm using only pt. Now the first statement is plt.plot. Then I'm using two array. The first array contains some number, for example 5, 6, 8, 9, and the second array also contains some element. So these two arrays are there. Now I need to show. If I save the file, then run the file. It will take some time to run the file. First it will be compiled. Okay, now you can see error is there. PLT is not defined. It means I am using PT but I am writing PLT, so it should be PLT. Now everywhere is PLT, but again you see PLI dot show, so it should be PLT also. Now if I save the file and if I run the file, then I'm getting the output. Look at here, the figure, the line. So first coordinate is 5, then 1, then second is 6 and 4, like that. Then that is all about how to draw the line. Now saving the file. So the function is save file, and within the bracket you need to write the file name and dot extension of the image. So I can use jpeg, png, whatever supported by Python. So right now I'm using jpeg. Now if I save the file, if I run the file, then I'll get the output. Okay, so this is the diagram. Save option is also there. So right now I'm not saving, so I already given the command, so it should be saved within the folder. So it is in the folder. Oh, but within the file there is no line, so I think some problem in the code. Okay, let me check again. If I run, okay, it is showing here the option is there to save the file separately, but I want it should be saved automatically, but it is not getting here. So let me check once again. If I write the code and if I give the file name with extension, this time I'm using different extension, suppose line.png. Again if I save the file and run the file, I get the output. Okay, so let me check whether the photograph is there or not. So go to the folder, Okay, again the same output. There is no line. The image has been saved, but there is no line in the figure. The previous one also, see, there is no line. So I think still some problem in the code. So let me do some changes. So first, if I write plt dot save file, and after that so, and if I run, then I get the output. And now if I check the folder, okay, this time the line chart is here. So I think you got the problem. So first you need to save the file, and after that you need to run the code. Then only you'll get the output. So that is all about how to save the image also. So let me proceed for the next code. This time I am using two array. The first is A with some elements. Then the second with some element again. 2, 4, 10, 12. So in A 4, in B also 4. And if I write p dot plot A comma B comma label, and for label I'm writing the message in quotes, first line, then p dot title, then within quotes again I'll provide some title. You can write any. Right now I am writing a line with or suppose if I write many lines, then next is p dot x label to display the message in the x axis. So for example I am writing here y label also, and in x label I am writing, you can write any message. Right now I am writing plot alpha value, and in y label I am writing plot alpha multiply by 2 values. So that will be displayed in x axis and y axis. Title already I have given many lines, and if I would like to include legend, then legend, so that will also be displayed in the graph. So it is very simple. Legend is the method. So my task is over. I need to write this. Then save the file, then run the code. Okay, so you can see the legend first line, then the line according to the coordinate. So I have written many lines, so we'll include more lines. So if I copy the same code 3 times, and if I change the values only, so that was first line, now it is second line, now it is third line, then if I change the values also, 11, 12, 15, 16, 22 or 24, then 30, like that. If I do the changes in the second line also, Okay, already I did for the second. Right now I am doing for third line. Okay, so if I save the file, then if I run the file, then okay, so that is the output. You can see first line, second line, third line. So if I again change some values, then according to that it will be reflected in the line, means chart. So I'm doing some changes here. You can see the changes. And again, if I save the file, if I run the file, then I'll get different output. Okay, so this time again you can see the blue line, that is the first line, then yellow, that is the second line, then the green, that is the third line. So that is all about the changes whatever is present in the code. So see, the values are there, and again if I run the code after changing the value, I can see different output again. The first second line, then you can see blue line, that is the third, yes, then your orange, then green, and according to the coordinate, see 420. So that is all about 4 and 24. So I think it should be then 18, 12. So right now it is approx. Okay, so yes, so according to value you can match whatever is here, 17, 18, or according to the coordinate, means whatever present in the x-axis, then whatever present in the y-axis, like that. So again if I do some changes, for example if I put some lines as comment line, suppose I am not displaying the second line, so make it comment. I save the file, again run the file, then you'll get different output. Right now only two lines are there, first line and third line. So third line, you can see the values, you can compare the values, that is 4, 24. Then you can see displaying in the lower part also, the values are changing according to the movement of mouse cursor, then the next coordinate and the last coordinate. And right now you can observe, yes, so the values are there. So that is all about. Thank you.